This was the biggest mistake I made on our first family trip. It wasn't forgetting diapers or bottles.
It was packing way too much.
If you're still stuffing travel cribs, stacks of diapers, and bulky sterilizers into your suitcase, this video will change how you pack forever. After years of traveling with babies and toddlers, I've learned the hard way what's actually useful and what just weighs you down. So let's go over 10 baby travel items experienced parents skip and what to bring instead. If you're still packing a full-sized stroller for travel, it's time to rethink it. They're bulky, hard to manage at airports, and a hassle in tight or crowded spaces. Instead of helping, they often slow you down. A lightweight, travel-friendly stroller is a game changer. Models like the UPPAbaby Minu V2, Baby Zen Yo-Yo, GB Pocket, or Summer Infant 3 Delight are compact, easy to fold, and designed specifically for travel. Some even fit in overhead bins or sling over your shoulder like a bag. If your baby is still small and likes being close, a soft baby carrier or wrap is even better. It keeps your hands free and your baby calm. However, if you're heading somewhere family-friendly like Disney or a resort town in the US, stroller rentals are often available, so you can skip packing one altogether. Fancy baby monitors might sound like a travel essential, but they're honestly more hassle than help. They're bulky, require setup, and don't always connect well to hotel Wi-Fi. In most cases, you're staying in a small room or suite where your baby is just a few steps away. You'll hear every sound without needing a high-tech setup. So go for simpler options. One of the best alternatives is baby monitor apps. Apps like Dormy, Cloud Baby Monitor, or Annie Baby Monitor let you use 2 phones or a phone and tablet to keep an eye on your baby. They're secure, easy to use, and don't take up any space in your bag. Tried any baby monitor apps while traveling? Tell us which one worked best for you. Of course, if you're staying in a large Airbnb or a multi-room setup, a more advanced monitor might come in handy. But for most trips, it's just extra bulk. New parents believe a travel crib is a must-have, but most experienced parents skip it. And for good reason. It's bulky, takes up luggage space, and isn't always easy to set up. Unless you're staying somewhere that doesn't offer a crib, there's usually a better option. Most hotels around the world provide a pack-and-play crib if you ask in advance. Vacation rentals may vary, so it's best to check with the host before you arrive. Just call or email ahead of time and confirm. Now, if you're staying with family or friends, chances are someone nearby has a crib you can borrow. If you're on the move often, a baby travel tent or ultralight pop-up bassinet can be a smarter pick. They fold flat, weigh less, and are easy to carry through airports. And if you go with a travel tent, some models even come in blackout versions, perfect for naps anywhere, especially if your room doesn't have blackout curtains. And if your baby's older and you're staying in one place, consider an inflatable toddler travel bed with bumpers or even a mattress on the floor. It's safer and gives your child more freedom to move. Bottom line, think about your destination and sleeping setup. Most times, there's a lighter, simpler way that works just as well. You think, what if I run out? So you end up stuffing a whole week's worth of diapers and wipes into your suitcase. But the truth is, once you arrive, buying diapers and wipes locally is usually simpler. No matter where you're traveling, unless it's remote, you'll be able to find diapers and wipes. Most places around the world have grocery stores, pharmacies, or convenience shops that carry baby essentials. The brands might be different, but they all do the same thing. And if you're in a country where everything's in a different language, just use Google Translate. Snap a photo of the packaging and it'll tell you what you're looking at, so you can shop with confidence. Instead of packing a full supply, bring only what you need for the first 2 to 3 days. That gives you time to settle in and figure out where to restock. It also saves tons of space in your luggage, especially if you're using a carry-on. Same goes for wipes. You don't need the jumbo pack. A travel-sized pack or 2 is plenty to start. You can always buy more on the go. If you're worried about brands or sensitivity, pack a few of your baby's usual items and then look up nearby stores ahead of time. You can even order online for delivery to your hotel or Airbnb. You really don't need to bring a full-sized bottle sterilizer when traveling. They're bulky, hard to clean, and most hotels just aren't set up for them. There are simpler, travel-friendly options that work just as well. If your hotel has a microwave sterilizing bags are a great choice. They're lightweight, reusable, and get the job done in a couple of minutes. No microwave? No problem. Just boil water in a kettle or on the stove and soak your bottles for 5 minutes. It's quick and effective. Another great option, especially when you don't have access to a kitchen, is cold water sterilizing tablets like Milton. Just drop one into a container of water and you're set. Just keep in mind the solution only lasts 24 hours. It also helps to pack a travel-sized bottle brush and a small bottle of baby-safe dish soap. Wash well, rinse thoroughly, and air dry on a clean towel. That's more than enough for short trips. Unless your baby has specific medical needs, this kind of basic cleaning is safe, practical, and way less stressful when you're on the go. Packing too many toys is a common mistake,
especially for first-time traveling parents.
You want to keep them entertained, so you grab everything from the toy bin. But most of those toys won't even get used. Kids get bored quickly, and when you're on the go, they're usually more interested in their surroundings than toys. So pack just 2 or 3 of their favorites, then add one new toy or activity they haven't seen before. It could be a travel-size puzzle, a new coloring book with crayons, or a reusable sticker pad. The surprise factor keeps them engaged longer. You can also bring items that serve multiple purposes, like a soft book with teething corners, or a toy that clips onto both the stroller and car seat. By the way, if you're loving these minimalist tips so far, don't forget to hit subscribe. We've got more travel hacks coming soon. Don't forget about digital entertainment either. A tablet loaded with a few shows, audiobooks, or kid-friendly games can be a lifesaver during long flights or delays. It's never recommended to pack a full changing pad station when traveling. They take up unnecessary space, and most of the time, you'll find yourself changing diapers in hotel rooms, airplane restrooms, or the back seat of your car. These situations don't need a full setup, just something practical and clean. A simple foldable changing mat is more than enough. It's lightweight, easy to wipe down, and fits right into your diaper bag. If you don't have one, even a clean towel or receiving blanket can work just fine. However, make sure you always carry a couple of disposable diaper bags or Ziplocs for used diapers and wipes. Also, many public places, airports, and even restaurants now have decent baby changing facilities. If hygiene is a concern, bring a small pack of disinfectant wipes to quickly clean the surface before you lay down your mat or towel. Packing multiple outfits for each day might seem smart at first, especially with babies or toddlers who tend to get messy, but it's overwhelming. You probably won't use half of what you pack. It just takes up suitcase space and makes it harder to stay organized. So try sticking to 2 to 3 mix and match outfits per child for every 2 to 3 days. Choose soft, neutral layers that work across different weather conditions. For younger kids, go for items that can double up, like rompers that work for both day and night, or leggings that can be reused with different tops. If you're traveling for more than a few days, plan to do one quick load of laundry mid-trip. Most hotels, Airbnbs, or even rest stops have laundry options. A small travel detergent or even a detergent sheet works well for this. Also, always pack at least one backup outfit in your carry-on for accidents or spills during transit, but keep the rest simple. You'll be surprised how little you need when your focus shifts to comfort and function. When it comes to baby cutlery, bowls, and plates, many parents pack a full set, thinking they'll need everything their child uses at home. But honestly, these items often end up unused. That's why we consider simpler, smarter alternatives. First, bring just 1 or 2 lightweight, easy-to-clean silicone spoons or forks. They're soft on your child's gums and easy to wash by hand. For bowls and plates, pack a small silicone suction bowl. These are flexible, don't break, and stick to surfaces to avoid spills. If you're staying in a hotel or rental with a kitchen, use regular adult dishes for feeding when your child is older than a toddler. Most places have basic plates and bowls that work fine. Many hotels even have kids' bowls and cutlery available. Just ask. If they don't, disposable paper plates or eco-friendly bamboo options make great lightweight backups. Overall, keep it minimal. You don't need to bring a full feeding set. Packing too many snacks is one of the most common mistakes parents make. It's easy to worry that your child will get hungry, especially during travel delays, but you don't need a full grocery haul in your diaper bag. Instead, aim for balanced variety. One protein-rich option like a cheese stick, one fruit-based item like applesauce pouches or dried fruit, and a treat like mini crackers or gummies. Quick tip, take a screenshot of this snack list for your next trip and save this video for your packing playlist. Pack just enough for the flight or car ride, then plan to shop at your destination. Most U.S. airports and rest stops offer kid-friendly snack options, and grocery stores are easy to find almost anywhere. Also, consider bringing a reusable snack container with a few compartments. It saves space and helps prevent spills. And don't forget to keep water in a spill-proof bottle. This approach keeps your bag lighter and your snacks fresher. It also gives your child the chance to try new local foods once you arrive. And that's the beauty of traveling like an experienced parent. Pack smart, skip the stress, and truly enjoy the journey with your little one. But wait, if your child is on any medication, there's something you need to know before your next trip. TSA rules for medications changed in 2025, and most parents don't find out until it's too late. We covered everything in our last video: what to pack, what documents you need, and how to avoid delays at airport security. Go check it out now.